YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. We just had a little baby girl, so I haven't really been posting at all. So I figured, why not make a cold start video? Since it's cold, I haven't made a video in a while. I'm gonna start this first, and then maybe this if it's not frozen, and then the quad over there. So let me get this thing. Little update. I'm gonna make an update video, but I took it for a little bit of ride around the block, and that was it. And then we got a really bad snowstorm. Probably snow up to here, I would think. At least I wasn't here. I was stuck in the hospital with the baby, and by the time I got home, this is what it looked like. So needless to say, I haven't actually gotten to ride it, but still running. I was having some issues, but we're going to save all that for the update video. Just one video, I got to get back inside as quick as I can. Without any further ado, we'll get you set up, and we'll see how many pulls this thing's going to take. I think I had it running probably a month ago. Probably. That's the best view I can get you for now, I'm sorry. If I had to guess, 5 pulls. We'll see. Sits. Now let's say I was riding it around a week ago, would have been 1 pull. Shadow! It always idles low when it's cold. It'll warm itself up. Started the hardest one first. This thing, if you've seen it last, I've done nothing but drive it. It still works. The gear shifter is still backwards. Oh, I'm out of breath. That still works. The key's a little finicky, so give me a minute. Right up. Shadow! Good girl. I don't know if you can hear it, but started right up. It's a Honda. This thing's sidling. I'm having problems with this thing. Well, I don't know. I didn't dry it enough. Might be going through cooling. I put a bunch of this shit in it. That's the only thing left to do on it. And I have the springs right there. I have a bunch of springs. I've just been too lazy. Now let's go start this thing. You haven't seen it very much. I was starting here also. I had another quad on a video. I don't have it anymore. I sold it. It's too much. That project. With this one. Everything I have runs, so that's cool. I don't even know if you call this a cold start, because it's not that cold, but it's cold. Mainly just did this for the sled. Remember, it's still cold, right? Just let him warm up a bit. I can shut this off. I don't want to rev the Honda again. Shut that off. There's only one running. I don't really care to rev the Honda. It's just rude in my opinion to have a cold quad like that. Especially when the quad's been so good. Anyways, I'm just tired from this shit up, so it's rude. I wish my dog wouldn't come back on. I don't have to scream at her, but she likes to fuck off. I don't know where she is. Nice. So what I came out here to do was take the keys out of the quad, see what's in it. Okay, why don't I make the cold start? All running. This one's still a little cold, I can tell. This one, I've never met a quad that's such a bitch when it's cold. Like straight up, I'll fucking start it at the end of the day at work and just go, and it'll stall, and it won't want to start again. Never met a quad that's such a bitch. Warm it up, it's great. Alright, got all the keys. Alright, I got the dog. That's the end of this video, see ya.